Hey YouTube, it's Des, and today I'm going to be doing a review on a product that I know a lot of you guys probably use but don't even know that you're getting ripped off. Now, I am a big fan of MAC. I actually kind of steered away from MAC eyebrow pencils about, I would say like 3 years ago when I came across the e.l.f. pencil, which I like absolutely love. And then one of my friends came over, we were doing makeup, and I'm like, hey, let me see, you know, your eyebrow pencil. And then I put it on and I'm just like, yeah, like I remember this used to be my shiznit, you know. So I decided to go purchase one of my own, and here it is right here. It is in Spiked, and this is the color I always get, and this is what it looks like. But guys, I had literally thought that I was like going out of my mind, like losing my mind, because when I purchased this literally about 2 weeks ago, I had only used it about 3 times, and as you guys know, it has the type of tip where you have to turn it in order for it to like go up. And I noticed that it wasn't like moving up, and it had like stopped. So I was like, okay, maybe this was a used one that someone brought back and I just got like a bad one. So I was kind of trying to keep like a positive mindset about it. So I took it back and got another one. And guys, again, the same thing. So this retails for, I believe, like $18 or so, and then after tax about $20. $20 could get me about probably about 15 of those e.l.f. pencils, eyebrow pencils, which last me literally, like, I can go through one of them in like 2 months. And I use it every single day. My eyebrows is something that I actually do every single day. But I hadn't even been using this one every single day, because I said I'm going to save this for when I go out or when I actually wear makeup, which you guys know I don't wear makeup every day. So I decided to get this one, and I was like, this should last me a very long time. And it's the same thing. I think that they know that it's MAC. They know that people are going to go out and buy it, so they know that they can cheat you, because they know that you're going to keep coming back. Don't get me wrong, it's an absolutely amazing product, because I really like, I just did my eyebrows today. I didn't finish them yet. I got something going on with my eye. I think I got an eyelash in it. That's why my eye looks a little crazy. So I didn't get to like finish it like I wanted to, but I did just want to get on here and speak about it, because I was sitting down doing them and I'm like, wait, am I out already? And I've literally only used this probably about like 2 or 3 times since I went and returned it. So yeah, if you guys have had the same experience, please let me know. And if not, please let me know what I'm doing wrong, and if I'm not like, maybe, I don't know, if I push it down too hard on it, if I'm supposed to be using lighter strokes. Just let me know, because I'm not sure about this, but I definitely will not be purchasing this product again. So yeah, that's my review on this MAC eyebrow pencil in the color Spike. And they have lots of colors, so if you guys want to try it, go try it for yourself and let me know the results. But to me, it's not worth it. I will stick with my e.l.f. pencil, which looks like this. And this one works really, really good. And then it also has this on the end, which I'm absolutely love. I have to use this paired with this one, because this one doesn't have one. The one it does, MAC does make one that comes with this on the end of it, but I think it's like an extra $10 or so, and I'm not paying that much just for this one. I could just switch it back and forth. And this one is like done, but this is a lot more product, and I just feel like you just get your money's worth. So that is my review on MAC eyebrow pencils. I will go ahead and try one more other one that I wanted to try that's actually a lot more product. It's like the gel. So I'm going to try that one next, and then I'll see how that works, if that's better than the pencil. Maybe I'm just using too much product at a time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Videos will be up every Friday. Until next time, YouTube. Bye.